Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mugambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam, 13th February 2026, Mashi Masam, first day, Friday, Vishwavasanama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Shishira Rudo, Mashi Masam, that is Kumbha Masam, first day, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 3:12 p.m. Ekadashi, then Dwadashi, Bhriguvasaram, Nakshatram up to 5:02 p.m. Moola Nakshatram, then Purvashada Nakshatram. Today's Rahualam 10:30 to 12 noon, Yamakandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Kuliyagalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Chandrashtam for Rishabharashi, Prayachittam Jangri. Today Vishnu Bhakti the day and Ekadashi. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Subscribe this channel to get update daily Panjangam as well temples festival. Thank you. Namaskaram. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha.